What's up YouTube? It's your boy Just Plays Kickspot back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing a restoration on a pair of Infrared 3s. Now, I got these shoes at Sneaker Mania this past Saturday. Yes, I got it, yeah. This past Saturday. I'm just trying to figure out, cause today is Sunday and I'm trying to figure out when I'm gonna release this video to where it, yeah. Anyways, we got a pair of Infrared Jordan 3s. Now, they're not in the worst condition, but they do need to be worked on. The uppers have some scratches, the yellowing on the toe caps. Easy fix, put that in the ice box for 3-4 sessions. That'll be good, but there's some cracking, some paint cracking on the midsole, so we're just gonna go ahead and do a full-on midsole repaint, touch up the uppers, this little corner up here, the back tabs aren't bad, they're still intact, no separation, which is good. And here's the other shoe, as you can see, like this is why we're gonna need to do that full midsole repaint. So we're gonna get that started, but first we have to clean the shoe. Well, we have to take the laces out. The shoe trees are actually already in here because he gave me shoe trees, so, and they're Angelus shoe trees, which is funny. So let's get started with the cleaning process. Let's go. Alright, so we've done, like, I've been doing tons of ice sessions, and as you can see, we got that nice white toe cap again. No more yellowing. Finished all that deoxidation. I'm thinking about doing that for this part also, because this is also yellow. But I don't know. But I know I'm keeping the Jumpman this cream colorway just because just shows a little age to the shoe, because the shoe, these are from 2013, but I mean, just shows a little bit age. Gotta keep the little bit of yellowing, just to keep it a little bit of yellow. But next, we're about to move on to repainting the black midsole. So let's go.